What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally Sketer 6S out. Yeah, I had to do some repairs on the disc. I just want to see how it worked out. I'm only running on 4S because I don't know. I want to just test her out real quick because she was having problems, and I didn't want to push it on 6S right off the bat. Plus, it's cold. See how she holds up to this little mini bash. Wow, I ripped the wing mount straight out. Battery came out. All right. Yeah, I gotta fix this. It's gonna pop out again. You can tell we got more in it. Definitely got more in it. What I got in here is the TOROX ESC 185 amp ESC and a 2050 kV motor. I can't remember which one it is. It's a Team Corally one though. Now I'm gonna see, can I jump it towards myself? Probably could. Let's see if I hit myself. Oh! Try one more. Trying to make it faster, and it was a bad crash. It wasn't a bad crash, but it knocked my body off and lost all my pins. So I mean, it did pretty good though. Next test I'll do 6S, but as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Phillyswords RC. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. And subscribe.